It's small, colorful, and fits in your pocket. Yet it has the power to transform a look in seconds. We're talking about lipstick. From ancient temples to modern fashion runways, this tiny tube has traveled through time, cultures, and trends. What started as a symbol of royalty and status is now a daily essential for millions. But behind its smooth finish and vibrant color lies a surprisingly detailed process. So how is lipstick made? What turns a mix of wax, oils, and pigments into something so iconic? Let's take a look inside the world of lipstick production. Preparing the raw materials. Lipsticks are made using a vibrant blend of core ingredients: wax, oil, alcohol, and pigments. The wax component typically includes a mix of beeswax, azocarite, and candelilla wax. In some formulations, a premium wax called carnauba is used due to its high melting point, which helps add strength and maintain the lipstick's shape. To provide a smooth, moisturizing texture, emollients such as mineral oil, castor oil, lanolin, vegetable oil, olive oil, petrolatum, and cocoa butter are incorporated. The rich colors of lipsticks come from a variety of pigments and lake dyes, like bromo acid and calcium lake, among others. Both organic and inorganic pigments are used to achieve the desired shades. Additionally, antioxidants are included to preserve freshness and prevent spoilage. While every lipstick contains these base components, a wide range of other ingredients can be included to alter texture and finish. For instance, matte lipsticks contain a high concentration of fillers like silica, but fewer emollients. Cream lipsticks use more wax than oil. Sheer and long-lasting lipsticks include more oil and often silicone oil to help seal vivid color. Glossy lipsticks have a higher oil content for a shiny finish. Shimmery or frosted lipsticks may include synthetic pearl particles like mica, silica, and bismuth oxychloride. There is no universal standard for the size, shape, or exact formulation of lipsticks. While the base ingredients remain consistent, additional components vary greatly depending on the intended effect. Emollients generally constitute about 60% of the total weight, with alcohol and pigments contributing approximately 25%. Fragrance is also included, though it usually comprises no more than 1% of the formula. The manufacturing process. The journey of lipstick making begins with high-quality ingredients. The main components include waxes, oils, pigments, and emollients. Each plays a vital role in how the lipstick functions. Waxes, often beeswax, carnauba wax, or candelilla wax, give the lipstick its structure and help it glide smoothly. Melting and mixing. The wax, often a blend of natural and synthetic waxes, is first melted into a liquid state. This process happens in large stainless steel vats, equipped with heating elements and agitators to ensure even mixing. The temperature is carefully maintained at around 90 degrees Celsius. Creating the pigment paste. A small amount of the melted wax is combined with pigments to form a concentrated pigment paste. This step prevents clumping and ensures even color distribution. The paste is then passed through a 3-roller mill to grind the pigment finely, giving the final lipstick a smooth, non-grainy feel. Once the pigment mass is ground and mixed, it's added back into the hot wax base. Oils like castor oil or mineral oil, along with aroma compounds, are also introduced to achieve the desired texture, shine, and scent. Filtration and deaeration. The mixture is tested for color consistency against a prepared sample. If needed, pigment proportions are adjusted. Next, the liquid lipstick is strained through nylon filters to remove any lumps or unmelted particles. It's then placed under vacuum pressure to eliminate air bubbles, which could affect texture or appearance. Molding and cooling. Once fully mixed and deaerated, the lipstick is ready to be poured into molds. The liquid is transported in containers lined with plastic to prevent sticking and contamination. In the molding room, the mixture is transferred into a melter that keeps it fluid, just above the wax's melting point. The molds, made from metal or plastic, shape the lipstick into its final form. Interestingly, lipstick is poured upside down, so the base ends up on top. Automated molds are chilled, while manual molds are moved into refrigeration units. As the lipstick cools, it shrinks slightly, creating a space that makes it easier to push into tubes in the next step. Packaging. The final step is packaging. Lipsticks are either packed in bulk or as individual items, and can also be part of promotional makeup kits. Factory workers apply labels by hand, then place the lipsticks onto a conveyor. Another line of workers packs them into cardboard boxes, which are then sent to a laser engraver that prints expiration dates. The boxed lipsticks are finally packed into larger cartons for easier bulk transport.